YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to the channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Today we're going to talk about some Bitcoin. We're going to talk about some Ethereum. I know that's what you guys want. You want that Ethereum scoop, right? As you guys can see, the market is absolutely printing today, up at $2.6 trillion, right? Bitcoin really starting to run now above 82. Look at Fartcoin, man, coming in at the #1 coin, almost at $1. Coin's absolutely going crazy. But let's talk about a Bitcoin. Let's talk about Ethereum, right? As you guys can see, our fear greed index still sitting at a 21, but we're seeing some euphoria come back into the market. Are we seeing a recovery? I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section below again. Are we seeing a Bitcoin recovery right now, or are we seeing a rising wedge? We do know that our market's going to close today. Are we going to have a good solid close? If we could close at like 86 today, that would be incredible. Like if we could pump to 86 today, that would be incredible. And that would be very bullish. If we even pump to 85 and reject, it's not good. It's not good going into the weekend because we could see some possible sell-off unless, again, we have a good solid market close. It's going to be speculative. Maybe if the market closes good, then, you know, we could even see a little bit of pump into the weekend. It's not common, but look, we're really starting to print now. So maybe that 86 is possible. Maybe we will see this thing print to 86 right now. Maybe Bitcoin is creating some kind of something. This is big. This is big resistance right here for Bitcoin. Again, I would like to see it at around 85 for the above 85 really. It needs to be at like 86 for this to be looking like a breakout, but I mean, shoot, it looking like a breakout. Looking like we getting there. I mean, we could reject off the zone still, right? We are at a key zone of resistance right now, but I think we're breaking out on the 1 day. We are breaking out on the 1 day. It wouldn't be the first time that we broke out on the 1 day, right? We broke on the 1 day here, and then we kind of did this sideways thing. I wonder where we're going to do something similar to this, actually. But again, it's going to depend on today. It's going to depend on the close, in my opinion. How we finish out today is going to be so key for Bitcoin. Are you guys bullish on this? Are you bearish on this? Again, we're still in a downtrend. Bitcoin is still not out of the woods. Really got to get above these levels. I told you like 85, 86. This is where it would be considered like, you know, starting to look pretty good again. Like even then we have some resistance up here at 87, 87, 88. I'm telling you, this 89 range is really where we need to be at for me to be like, okay, we got a good, solid bounce, right? We've seen this thing do this in the past where it jumps up and it jumps down. It did it right here, right? Back in March. Look how much it jumped up and shot down and jumped up and shot down, and it was creating this big wedge, and then it ended up, you know, ultimately having a run up. We do know that there is still a tariff war going on. You know, we know that there is still a trade war, so maybe again that will cause it to go like this in the next 90 days. I don't know. China is still not, or there's still like a huge tariff on China. We keep going back and forth with China. So we're not out of the woods as far as that. This could be some price manipulation just on a Thursday. Again, we've seen this thing reject multiple times. It's not yet a breakout, but it is really good to see Bitcoin making some good positive price action again though. But look at the 7 day. This is what we don't want to see, this rising wedge forming. We've seen this rising wedge form before, right? We watched it form right here and broke down. And you saw a big sell-off. And so if this thing does decide to reject and break down, I do expect us to see a big sell-off into the weekend. Like I said, we could really be at 75K. And we're at 83 right now. I'm telling you right now, we could really be down at 75K if we reject off of this. Or, again, we could break up and things could be euphoric and things could be good. Anything could ultimately happen. Let's talk about some Ethereum because Ethereum is printing today, boys. Look at Ethereum coming in at 190 billion market cap. If you're bullish on it, let me know in the comment section. As you guys could see, 80% of people bullish on it, 20% of people bearish on it, 1.8 million people following it, right? And coming in at #2. Amazing, right? And yeah, down 12% right now, but that's okay. That's okay. Sometimes we're up, sometimes we're down. I do think Ethereum will do well this year. It hasn't been doing well on the yearly chart, though. You can see Ethereum is definitely still in a downtrend. It is yet to start turning it around. It's been bear flag after bear flag on this thing, and people just wondering, like, when bottom? I think Ethereum is one thing that a lot of people do see value in. We do want to accumulate it, but at the same time, this thing has seen major sell-offs. And I was actually talking about this not too long ago, maybe in a couple of videos. But look back here, back in 2018, guys, we went all the way up to the price. The price was all the way up at like 1,500, dang near like 1,200, and it dropped all the way down to $88. You know what I'm saying? Like, understand that these type of price corrections happen in cryptocurrency, and they happen because we're in such a volatile market, right? Our entire cryptocurrency space, all the coins put together, $2.6 trillion. It's smaller than Apple. All the rug pulls, all the scam money, everything. Everybody's money that's in cryptocurrency right now, again, smaller than Apple. So that just lets you guys know, I'll look at Fartcoin, but just lets you guys know again how much this market can really move and how much things can really take off. As a matter of fact, dude, let's talk about Fartcoin, because dang, man, Fartcoin up another 32% today. This thing's on a tear. It's performing amazingly during this Bitcoin correction, and it's probably one of the number one coins that I said I was going to be accumulating too. We were so insanely early on this project, by the way, guys. We caught this thing around like 20 million market cap. It shot all the way up into like 2 billion, and now again coming close to a billion market cap. It could be volatile again if the market decides it wants to break down. This thing can possibly break down too, but dang, it is performing nicely. I'm not even mad at the way that Fartcoin is performing right now. It's like really good. I don't know. If you guys are bullish on this coin, let me know in the comment section. Also, if you guys heard about this coin for the first time on my channel, let me know. I think for sure, honestly, we were the first coin channel to talk about this coin. There was nobody else on YouTube that was talking about Fartcoin. But I'm still bullish on this project. I still do like it. I think that Altcoin can do pretty well. They got a listing as a Binance feature, but they could possibly see a spot listing pretty soon. We do know that's kind of the way the game goes, right? First you get the spot listing, and then first you get the future listing, and then you'll get the spot listing later. I think that that's going to be the case with Fartcoin. It's listed on a lot of big exchanges already, including like crypto.com and a lot of these other ones. So I do think that this is going to be a coin of interest. Again, maybe this thing starts seeing some correction pretty soon, but it's just been, man, performing really nicely. Performing really, really nicely. Even on the, look at this one day chart, it's looking like it's breaking out right now, right? Dang. Wow. Look at the 1 week. Altcoin. Just absolutely performing super nice. Super nice. Interesting. As a matter of fact, this was the number one coin that I said that I would be paying attention to in terms of altcoins and stuff like that. As crazy as it seems, this was the one that I said was my number one, because again, I just feel like it's so degen, it's funny, and I just feel like this is something that will always be funny. Like farts have been funny since forever, and they will always be funny forever, ever. But again, I want to know, is this market going to pump? Like, what's going to happen with Ethereum? Is Ethereum going to go to the moon? Is it going to go to poo-poo? You guys can see Bitcoin now coming in at 83.8. Wow. This thing is sending right now. Interesting time to be in cryptocurrency. Isn't it always an interesting time to be in cryptocurrency? Again, it could be a fake out. Could be a fake out, but Trump did say it was an amazing time to be in the market, or something to that effect, to like, it's a great day to buy or something like that. He said that just the other day. Just the other day he said that. He's talking about all his friends that made money. But then again, he be doing that. And then sometimes, you know what I'm saying? Like, you never know. So you always gotta, again, consult a financial advisor when it comes to this stuff, guys. This is not financial advice. I don't think a financial advisor anyway would ever tell you to buy Fartcoin. Don't listen to people on the internet, guys. It's not a good idea. Just entertainment. Just the homie Crypto J. We just talk about this stuff, but we do it every single day, guys. I appreciate you. I can't have a show without you guys. As a matter of fact, I'm on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers, and you can help me, bro. You can help me do this. All you got to do, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, hit the like button, hit the comment sections, guys. It helps me. I'm telling you, every single comment helps. It pushes me in the algorithm a great deal, a great deal. We're going to keep making more of these Ethereum videos, more of these Bitcoin videos. If you like the fart coin stuff, let me know also. Maybe we'll make some more fart content, and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace.